The large frozen meat, minced meat production line is composed of a frozen meat crushing machine, a lifting equipment, and a meat grinder. The frozen meat crusher can quickly cut the unthawed meat at -18 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius into blocks or irregular slices, and then use the elevator to lift the material to the frozen meat grinder and grind it into various sizes, particle. It can also be used for frozen cheese, frozen animal liver, and other frozen plate crushing processing, etc. Suitable for large meat processing centers, cold chain production, and processing and meat products related industries.